All right, so bet TV and I'll pay Kumase Asante Kotoko and Ra is from Against Nations. Eshe Nations FC by 4-2. Goals from Steve Mukwala, 2 goals. Richmond Lamptey and Isaac Kotoko. Now, I'm paying the player ratings and Ra technical committee of Obet TV Tenasi Boom. Players no the GD say you be a susudua and a modern ball boy and no and yeba be ye ho adwuma eje ene anopay e will say over TV. All other issues will be addressed in the evening. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The channel is growing. Quick reminder, the Kotoko podcast this Friday. You cannot miss it. Yanko and Semnenra Kotoko lineup. Pouaty goalkeeper. Wing back in Peter Aqua, right wing back, left wing back Enoch Morrison, center back, right center back Justice Play, left center back Yusuf Nuruddin. Now Wenya Henry Ansu as the main center back, Sheriff Mohammed defensive midfielder, Richmond Lamptey attacking midfielder, Baba Yahaya attacking midfielder. Now Wenya Isaac Kotoko striking together with Steve Mukwala. Lamptey nya goal, Mukwala nya 2 goals, Opon nya 1 goal. Now, in today's edition, this will probably be match back one rating Asante Kotoko players, no. The average mark every player baby nyebiano, and our players na our team ni benyano wasoro. This is it. Because I will check the ratings now. You realize that the performance of Asante Kotoko players not impressive enough to say Untimin a player bibenya ratings less than 6.5. It will be very difficult to do that. Based on committee in the tenancy. Let's start with goalkeeper Pouaty. He gets a rating of 7.5. Match, boy. He considered 2 goals, but he made close to 5 saves in the game. 5 decent saves from Pouaty. We'll be our share game, no. So Obet TV streaming live. We'll be on your treasure highlights nibi. And it will be our share highlights near post nibi. I will admit that the performance of Pouaty was impressive. First half, before the game nibi ending, he made 3 key saves. And second half, you buy no sambe twaso. It make you 2 hot 1 head the car home. Very comfortable on the ball. And based on performance, no put 2 up. No so actually said. The Asante Kotoko goalkeeping department, when given the opportunity, he is ready to battle it out with any player, whether Frederick Asare or Danlad Ibrahim. He had okay kicks. When Timika said the kicks near bad, and the other manager was saying no be Emma defenders the pass board man. Now omo build the team no, no. That was excellent for Pouaty. All in all, commanding enough, conceding 2 goals. But he still gets a rating of 7.5. Goalkeeper conceded 2 goals, no ratings of 7.5. That should tell you, say, how solid our goalkeeper no a performer on the day. What Kotoko goalkeeping department is clearly not an issue. The way Kotoko don't have an issue with their goalkeeping department. Solid performance from all these goalkeepers. Now, Peter Aminu Aqua gets a ratings of 7. He played well. He played well, for a young chap as a right wing back. Excellent game for Peter Aminu Aqua. He supported defense when necessary. He joined the attack when necessary, and he should have also been on the score sheet for Asante Kotoko. He played very, very well, and I think this chap no, Mpenimphobia almost say the sign of Peter Aminu Aqua Abua Kotoko could have a talent for the future. Very skillful, very pacey, excellent when it comes to 1v1 situations. The only GDC behind being how fragile and how smallish our we thought the other opponent, nations players will bully him, but that wasn't the case of Peter Aminu Aqua. He gets a rating of 7. Enoch Morrison gets a rating of 7. Our Enra game Kumasi Asante Kotoko boy. The only reason Pouaty 0.5 there were some of the ball nibi or her as a saying kebetimi a goalkeeper ma score line and kebetimi asesa and he says sa ball no turn atene mu a score line be sesa ebra yedi nkomo ene and that is why on the NS 7.5. Enoch Morrison played very, very later. Yebeyina John Tedekwa Babisiakan, but what say left wing back position or Diaboso. And Ra. We had 3 goals Kotoko equity yena in the first half. Most of it in the left channel where he was involved in the goals. It came from the left channel, and that was where Enoch Morrison Nobo, and he was involved in the goals, and he played exceptionally well. That he deserved applause for his performance. And Asante Kotoko, I was impressed with Morrison, and I think say 3 matches now Kotoko winning me and saying to us no Morrison in good when match, but then Radiano was much better than any of the matches, especially when he is surging forward or or the vibe and a bite become team when they are moving forward, and that was what we wanted from Enoch Morrison. Decent game by our standard. He played well. He gets a rating of 7. You get Justice Blay 7 in Justice Blay the tackle I think there were 2 occasions tackles or more the FN Ali Diallo guy of Nations, but in the nutshell he won most of the battles from the right side of Asante Kotoko. The only issue with play ball now or Bonnie say what people should know is Ombo as a right back. He's operating as a right centre back. In the same year, your right back, Beba Nenim Baby, say, man, you're right wing back, Miss Onion. It's a who say, yesterday, I read some people say, on Konenim Koya cross, or a centre back. The right wing back, Nejuman and the crosses. No. Into no the NSA right wing back, no call, best actually, no preparatory, na Bibiakuye, and that was exactly what Justice Blay. He gets a 7. He also gets a 7. I think say in the last 3 matches I could go one match we and a Henry Ansu ratings, I was so forget about the defensive blunder, no redeem or more year with I think across board or more ratings of 7 in the game they played, including Henry Ansu, including Yusuf Nuruddin, Justice Blay, Enoch Morrison, and Obitse Peter Aminu Aqua. Now in yesterday's game I can confidently tell you say player baako pa results we one the chances of maintaining his position as Asante Kotoko team or even getting a starting lineup. Kalu Watara. I strongly believe that chances need be Isaac upon saying if it was Kalu, the conversation would have been different. You could have even gotten some of the balls at the back of the net, but that wasn't what happened. And from the midfield to the attack, it was just a flawless performance. Sharif Mohammed gets a 7. On Subenya 7 LM ratings. Excellent game. Controlling the tempo in the middle. Dropping deep. Also, but 3 back now, wing backs no qua. I said with defensive midfield, I would drop deep. Ever count on winner 4. And that was exactly what Sharif Mohammed did. I think the performance have been consistent. And maintaining this kind of tempo on consistent basis that it makes it difficult for you to say or drop it. Getting the tackles. You do baby say or this element of bullying be one trauma opponent in Buliwa. You realize that Sharif Mohammed was doing that. Now for the midfield for me, in Richmond Lamptey and Yahaya, Ubia gets Ubia Benya ratings of 8. Lamptey got a goal, but Lamptey was a delight to watch. Minia, Jebon now with the other born here. If you're bad Danny, if you saw smart pass, no best summa. Baby, so pia pass no way pia differences who pia a short or suma a long and no nyani right or join your attack. Nothing say he knows exactly what he wants to do with the ball. To me control ball no or yes so be shoot to no pushy a nations for no baby who appear to be more at the Ama Morrison so when you cross and bra. So he gets the ratings of 8 and not just the goal, but his total control over the game. His total contribution, especially to the offensive build-up of Asante Kotoko, how influential, how he dictates the pace, how he directs affairs in the middle, he's just a delight to watch. Baba Yahaya, oh my God. And Baba Yahaya free mono, ama my kuche damana bano, nipa ubi opak biya sorry amobo monsema Baba Yahaya. Nchene any ding, yombo sulu yane ding, yenda da hone ding. Then my pass nim flew quick and the simple grammar boy no. O Gracie the field. Emma Obia will say yes. Baba Yahaya. Any ball or Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Why any dear? Obey against a Legon cities. and not twice on run. Until after the game, nobody was talking about Eric Zeze. Because Zeze and Mianya squad no but nobody was talking about Zeze. Because already Yahaya and Chabo no. Baby obeche. Born Chibaku miensa, watching back one no summa born. Or chin back one not the born nipia. Sometimes as an a chin or chin as a still with Dasu, age in a center circle, but Baba actually on him. Until I was not surprised he ball game win, no be a Baba Abaso for his performance for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I repeat it again, on the Lamptey Yahaya more ratings of 8 in yesterday's game. I love that combination in the middle. That offensive combination. Make can say Ogun the enemies or here in the first coming here said he had Fabio Gama and Richmond Lamptey. So man. He started with 2 creative midfielders. Yeah, who the na Ogun second coming, he was playing just one. In this one was Zeza, no one but Shadrach Adwa, no one but Lamptey. The honor no. Now who say Ogun bought 2, say be Zeza and Shadrach Adwa. Ebi a Lamptey ni Shadrach Adwa. Ebi a Lamptey ni Yahaya. Ebi a Lamptey ni Zeze. Now until recently, a call 3 back to decide to say, Uncle back to the back of the in the first, which is 2 creative midfielders now. He should go back to that. And I lead it to 3 victories for Asante Kotoko. Makachiremo say, Ejumani ye neding. Into be cancer match or two. Say, Yapamu Ogum, and I don't know, Ogum was the coach, and no Mechanic to say he will be on the bench, he was on the bench. And those 2 guys, in Yahaya and Lamptey, they are complementing each other. Will be a born effect. Because me no obo now with me chain. No way Mama na me submit me chain and I short 2 players. Making it easy say players again me pass my strikers now they can pick it with ease and punish them. Yahaya and Lamptey actually against Legon Cities. Omo train and ra. Same fin omo dia. Omo kom wo fin omo kom jira kram e wo fin. Now let's talk about Isaac Opon. Mandu Sintimen, me person me rating be free bench by. But Isaac Opon will get a rating of 7.5. He got a goal. He won a penalty. Penalty na Kotoko winning and Mukwala. And the best chef 12 goal no. Isaac Opon ye try. But the no send out to say Isaac Opon abo hat trick. And as Isaac Opon she 4 goals cry in Kenyan and Channel. After scoring the goal, after winning the penalty, he missed chances. And on our money ratings number 7.5. And chances need be Isaac Opon saying, I felt probably if Kalu had given opportunity and gave a Kalu bit me a shape. But Isaac Opon played like pride. Maybe you're betching. Maybe you're running kofa ball, or running a kofa. Maybe you're control ball, and my own bitchum, or be control more bitchum. Maybe you're on some passing a year, and Fama Mukwala and Koya the finish no bayama. His only problem had to do with the fact that a year he missed glorious opportunities. Chances in both Michichian and Boasen, and I'm saying Kunya 2 goals crack and no share and Kenya and Fufubia. Isaac Opon played very well. And don't forget the Kotoko Legon Cities he scored. And Asante Kotoko Nations wash no one winning penalty. So what this tells you is this the turning point for Isaac Opon? He's a player that Asante Kotoko needs. So also for BB Meshim, especially when someone injury issues nearby a someone so. And that is why we need Isaac Opon to do his magic. And he is doing the magic for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. He could have done more. Shebi Kanwan Kenya one. But still, it wasn't bad from Isaac Opon. Finally, Steve Mukwala gets a ratings of 8.5. He scored a goal, scored 2 goals, and created 2 goals. On the DBA, on the coffee born or wings no across Waba, no point the barship, no Lamptey Yahaya. It was all about Steve Mukwala. Yesterday was Mukwala's day. And no one who said Mukwala na a botuma, Utumrikakophobia Hojen Waba. He was involved in 3 goals against Legon Cities. Offside, no. Shot no boy, a goalkeeper and save Isaac Opon Boshim no. And he scored himself. And no shame Mienu and no creating Mienu. What it means that the last 7 goals are Asante Kotoko Mukwala home goals. No. You see that the pre-assist or the assist if Steve Mukwala, and this is what we've always wanted. The starting scene, the new Mukwala, Tambe ni Janibeso, Tambe ni Janibeso. We are all happy say Janaso. So yesterday was a good game for Asante Kotoko. Pouaty 7.5, Peter Aqua 7, Morrison 7, Sheriff Mohammed 7, Yusuf Nuruddin 7, Henry Ansu 7, Justice Blaze 7, Richmond Lamptey 8, Baba Yahaya 8, Isaac Opon 7.5, Steve Mukwala 8.5. This is the player ratings. Coaching department, only had 3 changes. Opon in, Baba Yahaya in, Peter Aqua in. Injury to Kalu and Infeg until they needed to make the change. And Zeze, they felt that Baba Yahaya played much better. Baba Yahaya is more direct. Baba Yahaya is very quick and on delay ball as compared to Eric Zeze, and that led to the changes. And a good game for Kotoko. Almost now till Monday, until China Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So almost 6 days for Kotoko to play the game against Brekum Chelsea. Still time for the coach to work on the team. Coach in any brave build the team. And then any people again say Rocky Jamana and do Sintimenu, Michael Che Jamana Mo, Eba Binyabi Ura, and Ramachinum. But that was never the plan of the coach. Or share Kotoko League on cities no so moment Miambono, or drop poor Munyan, or the more free bench Baba Boni Yellow, or the almost started against Nations FC. 4 goals, first time in a Asante Kotoko season way, so Onya 4 goals. The last time I shared 3 against Legon City said no, I shared 4. Is this the turning point? We'll talk about all that in due course. But this is the player ratings of Asante Kotoko players when they played against Nations FC. Sober TV, Yahaya. Bye bye.